morning, friends, and welcome back. Today, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is solid, liquid, and gases. This PPT is made by Beba Patel. We are going to learn solid, liquid, and gases. We know that water exists in three different forms or state: solid, liquid, and gases. Everything in the universe is made of matter. A substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. What is matter made of? Atoms are the building block of all matter. They are extremely small in size and can be seen only with the help of very powerful microscope, though you cannot see them with naked eyes. Some examples are the water you drink, the air you breathe, the earth, and everything on it is made of atoms. Now we are going to learn molecules. What are molecules? When two or more atoms combine together, they form a particle called a molecule. A molecule can be made of the same or different kind of atom. For example, oxygen molecule is made of two oxygen atoms, also written as O2. The water molecule is made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atoms, also written as H2O. Atoms and molecules are in constant motion. That is, they are always moving. In solid atoms, they only vibrate without changing their position. In liquid, the atoms move around and glide over each other. Now, we are going to learn intermolecular space. The space between two molecules is called their intermolecular space. The molecules are held together by a force of attraction which is very strong and weaker in liquid and very weak in gases. A spoon of sugar added to a water in it because the sugar molecule occupies the intermolecular space in water. Some liquids such as alcohol also dissolve in water. Heating and cooling of liquids. What happens when we heat a liquid? When we heat a liquid, the molecules acquire energy and move faster. When it is heated continuously, the molecules ultimately move so fast that they are no longer in contact with each other, and thus the liquid changes into gas. What happens when we cool a liquid? When liquid is cold, the molecules slow down, and when the cooling is continued, the molecules come closer together and rearrange themselves and become solid. This process in which liquid changes into solid is called freezing. Now, we are going to learn heating and cooling of solids. When solids are heated, the molecules start vibrate faster. On further heating, the particles move around and gradually turn into liquid. Not all substances go on melting in normal condition. Some solid may undergo certain other changes on heating. For example, paper burns, solids expand. This is an example of it. Safina has metal ball and ring. Before hitting the metal ball, the ball could pass through the ring. Then she heated the metal ball in a flame until it got very hot. She tried to pass the heat metal ball through the ring and found that the ball could not pass through the ring. What would Safina conclude for his experiment? How can Safina pass the metal ball through the ring once again? This is the answer of it. In the above example, when ball is heated, the molecules move further apart, causing the size of ball to increase. Is called expansion. When solids are cooled, the movement of the molecules slow down and they come closer to each other. This is called contraction. Now we are going to learn heating and cooling of gases. When gas is heated, the molecules move away very fast, thereby causing it to expand. When glass are cold, this is an example. Water droplet condensation on the surface of the glass. The formation of droplet on the outer side of Cold glass is an example of condensation. When water vapor present in the air comes in contact with the cold surface, gas turns into liquid. Formation of dew and mist are the other example of condensation. Thank you friends for your attention.